There are three steps on process of cell respiration. Process called glycolysis. Let us recall the process of cell respiration. Glycolysis, and the next step is called Krebs cycle. Let us recall the process of cell respiration. Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain.
Glycolysis takes place on cytoplasm. 6 carbon phosphate split them into 3 carbon phosphate and an ATP turn ADP. Glycolysis takes place on cytoplasm. 6 carbon phosphate split them into 3 carbon phosphate 2 pyruvate and an ATP turn ADP. Glycolysis takes place on cytoplasm. 6 carbon phosphate split them into 3 carbon phosphate 2 pyruvate ATP to ADP.
NAD plus to NADH. There are pyruvate on the mitochondria.
2 carbon molecules join an enzyme make acetyl-CoA. Releases CO2, make NADH through oxidation. And we can now go to Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria. Acetyl-CoA joins 4 carbon regenerates cause to release of a CO2 that would make ATP, NADH and FADH2.
NADH and FADH2 that we create put electrons in the ETC being oxidized became FAD and NAD+. Protons are pumped out using energy to release the protons in oxidative phosphorylation.
During stage of oxidative phosphorylation, protons are pumped back into the matrix, undergoes a process through ATP synthase.
O2 takes the electrons as well as the protons, then became into water molecule H2O, and we finally finished the all stage. And that we learned the process on cell respiration. Now let us count the ATP of each cycle. 2 ATP in glycolysis, 2 ATP in Krebs cycle, 28 ATP in ETC. Those numbers are the total energy.
Let us know the definition of cell respiration. Metabolic pathway, animals and plant cells breaks down the glucose, produces ATP, provides us energy to perform work. Oxygen and glucose converted in carbon dioxide, H2O and ATP. And we hope you learn its process.